So, as you guys may understand, that this cube has been used to trap souls inside, and you must protect it at all costs. You know what, Computer Man? That's a great idea, because Chimpanzee Guan will be coming to take this cube away to trap our souls. And now that the cube is badly damaged from the attack, we must get it repaired. But well, I have a friend of mine, Wanda and Stan and T-Rex. They are friends of mine. I think that they can be appreciated to help. You really think after the challenge, Computer Man? We have to. There's no other options left. We must take action now. You're right. This cube has a lot of power inside, and if Chimpanzee Guan gets a hold of it, he'll be the most unstoppable force ever. That's right. We must do something now. Everyone's right. It's our quest to protect the cube, and that's why we're called the Animal League, to protect each other and the world. Super Pup, we are up to the challenge. Well, that's great. Yeah, that's great, but who's gonna pilot? I will. I'll get prepared. Lego Batman? What? We have a lot to talk about right now. You're on a quest to become the most remarkable hero ever. And hopefully that you can be up to the challenge and you will not fail me. Don't worry, Super Pup. I get it. Well, I hope so, because I think we could be serious heroes too. But you guys had each other. That's what matters. Everyone gets suited up. Okay, let's go, Batman. I'll get us to the challenge. Don't worry, I will. And I hope we're ready for this war.